Welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel. Today, I'm going to give you some tips on how to attract those delightful little aerial acrobats hummingbirds to your garden. These tiny birds are not only fascinating to watch, but also play a crucial role in pollination. So, let's get started. By the way, please be sure to like this video. Tip number 1. Plant hummingbird-friendly flowers. Hummingbirds are attracted to brightly colored, tubular flowers like trumpet vine, bee balm, and salvia. These flowers provide them with the nectar they need to fuel their energetic flights. Planting a variety of these flowers ensures a continuous bloom throughout the hummingbird season. Tip number 2. Provide shelter and perches. Hummingbirds need more than just food. They also require shelter and perches for resting. Trees and shrubs provide excellent cover, while placing small perches or branches near your feeders allows hummingbirds to rest between feeding sessions. Tip number 3. Hang hummingbird feeders. A well-placed hummingbird feeder can attract these little wonders to your garden. Make sure to use a feeder with bright colors to catch their attention and fill it with a homemade nectar solution made of 1 part sugar to 4 parts water. Remember to clean your feeder regularly to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. Tip number 4. Create a hummingbird-friendly environment. In addition to flowers and feeders, consider adding features like misters or shallow water baths. Hummingbirds love to bathe and will appreciate a source of clean water for grooming. Tip number 5. Avoid pesticides and chemicals. To keep your garden hummingbird-friendly, avoid using pesticides and chemicals that can harm these delicate creatures. Opt for natural pest control methods and organic gardening practices instead. And there you have it. By following these simple tips, you can create a welcoming oasis for hummingbirds in your own backyard. So, grab your gardening gloves and get ready to enjoy the beauty and wonder of these magnificent birds. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more helpful lawn and garden tips.